Hello, gorgeous. Back with Battle of the Foundations. I know I said I wasn't gonna do Elle Makiage again for a while, but I changed my mind. I want to go ahead and do it while I remember what I did the first time. So I'm using a different moisturizer today. Yesterday it was an Estee Lauder, the name of which I forget. Today it is Revive. Oh dear. Okay. It's more emollient, so I'm hoping that might make a difference. I'm using a different brush. Probably doesn't make a difference. This is one that was recommended by Emily Noel in a video some years back. And I'm gonna try to make 2 pumps work. It might, be my own fault that the coverage was so heavier than I'd like yesterday. I might have used too much product. Okay, so using less product, I told you yesterday when I finished it looked flawless, and other than same thing, it kind of creased in around here, so I smoothed that out. But yes, using less product made it lighter, which I like. So anyway, we'll be back later and see if it performs any better than it did yesterday. Hope so. All right. See you later. We'll see how it looks then. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Hello, gorgeous. How are you? I'm back again to assess again the Elle Makiage, used with a better, a more emollient moisturizer, which was the Revive. You can't see that. I can't see that. What is it actually called? Recombinance Sensitive Cellular Repair Cream. Okay. At any rate, even having put it on less intensely, made it more of a light to medium than a medium to heavy coverage, and only having had it on for 9 hours instead of 12, it did the very same thing. It's crawled into right here, down here, and very blotchy in through here. So I hate, right off the bat with foundation number 2 to give it a minus, but I give it a minus. I'm sure this works for somebody. I don't know. I'm beginning to think foundations like this might work for better with oily complexions. I'm very dry. No matter what I do, no matter what I do to hydrate my face, it's still not, it's still not working enough to make these become one with my skin like I like, and like a lot of BB creams and or CC creams and or tinted moisturizers do. I might be too old for foundation, or my skin might just be too dry. I don't know. Anyway, we'll find as we go along, right? And I'm sorry about this. Boy, the color was perfect though. Darn it. Anyway, that's it for today. See y'all soon. Love you. Bye. Hello, gorgeous. I wanted to do a brief follow-up on the Elle Makiage foundation. This video that you have just watched was recorded before someone from the staff of Elle Makiage commented on the previous Elle Makiage video, saying to get in touch. And they said get in touch on Facebook or Instagram. And instead of doing that, I emailed them because I had a link, from their customer service. And so rather than getting lost in the shuffle, I just emailed them, and you know, sent them the link to the video in case they doubted my word that, you know, somebody had posted that get in touch and they'd make it right, whatever that meant. So they obviously didn't watch the video because they sent back a form letter asking me, so what was wrong? Was the color too dark, too light, ashy? If they'd have watched the video, they would have known that the color was perfect. So I emailed back saying the color was perfect. The problem was the foundation itself does not work well with my skin, and all I can guess is maybe it would have made a difference if I'd used your primer, but your primer is too expensive for me. I don't make any money off my channel yet. I may never make money off my channel. So she then forwarded my email to one of their makeup people, I guess, who emailed back. And it seemed to be a form letter also. It was funny. But she was telling me that, you know, I needed to use it with a certain kind of primer. In fact, they make one. And it would be helpful if I used this and that sort of brush. And, oh, they happen to make one just like that. And then, you know, I should wait for 5 minutes after putting on my moisturizer before I powder. Yeah, I'm 66, I know that, but, and oh, they happen to make a great powder. So there's links to all these, you know, it was obviously just trying to sell me more makeup, and probably didn't watch the video either. At any rate, I said, thanks very much for your form letter, but you're just not getting what the problem is. And so they emailed back and said, okay, we're sorry you didn't like it. We'll give you a choice. We'll give you $100, you know, gift certificate for more product, or we'll refund your money for the foundation. And I opted for the refund. And here's the thing. It seems to me, I'm beginning to think that some of the pricier cosmetics only work and play well with each other. In other words, if I don't use their primer and their brush and their powder, it's not going to work with anything else. And to me, that's crazy, because there are perfectly good, better than this, drugstore products that work and play well with anything. So anyway, they did reach out. They sort of, in a sense, yeah, through form letters, and I'm sorry I didn't like this. I really wanted to like this, especially because the color was perfect, but anyway, anyway, so that's just a little follow-up on what happened. I'm going to get a refund for the foundation. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Love y'all. Bye-bye.